We were trimming the trees a couple days ago and things got a little squirrely.
Guys, come on! I don't know
Just set it down and I gotta get my hand out of this rope.
Oh my.
You won't want to miss what happens, so stay tuned. My name's Deric. This is my wife Jenia. We bought a fixer-upper. We're remodeling this house one day at a time, all while living in it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to get all the latest videos to track our progress. You'll find lots of how-to videos with step-by-step instructions to help you with your next do-it-yourself project. Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel. So we had this scrub maple tree leaning towards the house, and the treetop was completely choked out with a massive entangled vine. So at this point, the tree has already let go and the chainsaw has been jammed up. I was doing all I could to keep the tree from falling into the house.
Guys, come on!
Coming.
I don't know.
Just set it down and I gotta get my hand out of this rope. Ah, jeez.
Yeah.
Please.
Oh God.
No.
Oh God, help us.
It's gonna be all right. All right, ready?
Oh my gosh. We need to go around the tree. Let's go around the tree.
Can you go cut some more? Yes, I can. Keep pulling. Hold on. Let's work our way to the tree and use the tree. Keep tension. Hold on. Right here. Hold on. Here. I got it. I got lashed. There, it's lashed. Yeah, it was mother, man.
So at this point, we had the tree stabilized and we decided to shift to a new plan of using Jeff's truck to pull it away from the house.
Oh my. Oh my.
Rope. It's already on the roof now.
So now what's the plan?
Try to lash it up there again.
I've got a chain.
Oh, you got a chain?
Well, we gotta get up to the top of it again. Pull from up there.
Right here. Now right there. Away with the chain. Done deal. There we go. It's coming out now.
new problem. The vine growth at the top of the tree that we're trying to trim down has spread into this healthy adjacent tree, and those vines are now preventing the tree from falling.
Deric, I have an idea. Great idea. Look, guys, no, you have to get your chain on the bottom and pull this way and pull it out this way.
There she is. Down. Thanks, Jeff. Good job. I still have all my fingers, barely. Barely. And no damage to the house or the boat. So, in my book, that's a success. No one got hurt, other than a few rope burns. But,
Are you burnt?
I did from when I was trying to hold on to that thing, falling back the other way. It was, I had like about an 1/8 inch indentation.
I know you were doing your best.
Now we got the long job of chopping it all up. So. Tree trimming's done, and I'm just glad everything went off without a hitch, without anybody getting hurt, without any serious house damage of any kind. All that's left is tending this fire. Nice hot fire on a 90-degree day. Should be fun. But as always, I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming by, and we'll see you in the next one.